All right, so this is a factory tour with a difference. So we are about to take a drive through Building 2 at Autogroup International here in Sri Lanka. I'm in a right-hand drive Ford Bronco Raptor. This thing is absolute beast. If you like the Broncos, then check one of our other YouTube videos out. But I just want to give you a sense of the scale and the size of our operation. Now, we've been converting vehicles for 30 years. We're an Australian organisation, of course. We've been in Sri Lanka 22 years this year. I've got a team of over 200 people here. So obviously from our mechanics, our electricians, through to our welders, our plastic team, and we'll go through that. But it's just a great opportunity to take the Bronco for a spin, to be fair, and to go for a drive around the factory. So as we're literally cruising along, passing a absolutely spectacular 2025 GMC Yukon Denali, the XL, only ever buy the XLs. We'll come back and have a look at these in a minute. Got to watch where I'm going to make sure I don't crash into any of the crew. Chevy Camaro, but of course, whether it's the Chevy Camaro or the Dodge Challenger, in fact, I can see a pretty cool Dodge Challenger that we're about to pop by. To my left here is our upholstery team. I can't drive in there without damaging the Bronco, but that is where we do all the upholstery work, which is super important for things like dashboards. You see here where it's absolutely perfect. Next door is our electrical team. So that is where we do all the work when it comes to things like all of the wiring harnesses in the car. Swapping across the seat controls from what would have been the original left-hand drive seat to the right-hand seat, etc. So an incredible group of talented people. This arrived just the other day. This is the Ford Bronco Heritage Edition. So it's a throwback, 6 generations, nearly 60 years of Broncos. It is super cool. I'm going to film a detailed video on that a little bit later today, but it is the dog's bollocks, without a shadow of a doubt. Immediately to my right here, this is a beast mode. This is going to Australia. Dodge Challenge, SRT, Hellcat, Red Eye, kick-ass mother. It is a beast, just about ready to go. Across here, and indeed you can't see the rest of our buildings, etc., but I'm going to focus here as I try and turn right. Across to my left here, Hummer, it's an Edition 1, right-hand drive, ready to rock and roll. Swinging around, not hit anything yet, so there's a plus point for me. This vehicle here is interesting. This is a Ford F-150 Raptor in right-hand drive, but it wasn't converted by us. Now, this was converted by a bunch of dodgy. It was so bad that the customer, once they got their right-hand drive converted vehicle and was so heartbroken, they have literally shipped it to us in Sri Lanka to completely and utterly reconvert the vehicle. We have never ever seen anything quite so bad. Old school Hummer, we've been converting Hummers for nearly 20 years. As I swing across, and this is my dangerous corner, I don't want to do this at speed. Obviously have a full paint capability, so all of the components that we manufacture, whether they're plastic, fiberglass or metal, of course, are all painted. And of course, any damages or repairs that we need to do with vehicles that are there. In the corner is our lathe and milling team. So this is where we go right down to the point of manufacturing small components that ultimately our engineers have designed, and then indeed our lathe and milling, or indeed our CNC machine cuts. Across to my left here, as I miss the toolboxes, is our welding team. Now again, hugely skilled, huge team of welders, and they come in handy, of course, for our normal right-hand drive conversions, a huge amount of work when it comes to the welding that we need to do in a vehicle, but also for our armoring work. Sitting next to me here, this is, it's a Yukon Denali. Obviously it's been converted to right-hand drive, but if you look carefully, you can see it's got a 6-inch roof lift. So this is one of our CEO vehicles. So it will have a privacy partition between the front seat and the back seat, or the back area. The back area will have 2 captain's chairs in it, a TV that goes up and down, a refrigerator, a PlayStation, all of those sorts of things. One of the cool things we do is we make elephants randomly. I know, but we're random people. But for all of our clients, all of our clients that come and visit me in Sri Lanka, we give you an elephant. There's a couple of vehicles you see as we pass them that are covered. That's because they are part of our Skunk Works project. There's some top secret cars that we're working on that we couldn't move but needed to hide for filming purposes. Steering rack development team, stores. These guys are absolutely critical to what we do. You've got to imagine our vehicles start in North America, get shipped to us here in Sri Lanka by sea or by air, and we've got to make sure that we've got every single component that we need, all of those that we manufacture ourselves, and the components, etc., that we source overseas, etc., to ensure that everything we need for a conversion is here on time. As I swing around, another secret project, so don't look at that too hard. Hummer. Oh yeah, this one here, this is super cool. Couple of months away we'll unveil that, but this will just blow your socks off, there's no doubt. More Hummers, back into some pickup trucks. So we've got some GMC 2025, 2500, 3500, super cool AT4X AEV Special Edition. As we're coming back out to sort of the exit of building 2, I've got 2 options here. I can go out the normal way, which I probably will. We've also got our loading ramp here. So this is when vehicles come in from North America, they're containerized, and the container obviously, or the truck reverses up and we unload. I super want to do a Dukes of Hazzard style drive acceleration off. Now this thing does 0 to 60 in like 5.6 seconds. So I'm pretty sure I could get some air, but then I think my customer might be a bit upset if I go Dukes of Hazzard on its ass. So there is a quick tour by Ford Bronco Raptor, with no doors mind you, of building 2 at Autogroup in Sri Lanka. I'm going to hold my elephant so he doesn't fall over. But that just gives you a little bit of a sense of our size, our scale, maybe part of the complexity of our operation. Now, the real way to work out how good we actually are, and indeed the breadth and depth of the skill that my team has, is to come and visit us in Sri Lanka. And it's a really simple thing to do. And in fact, for all customers, we offer the chance now that if you want to jump on an aeroplane, whether you're in Australia or India or Indonesia or the UK or Cyprus or Zimbabwe, fly to Sri Lanka, bring a friend, we'll recover, or we'll give you back the cost of your travel and your accommodation, but jump on a plane, fly to Sri Lanka, come and see why it is that we are the world's best when it comes to converting American vehicles from left-hand drive to right-hand drive. I'll see you soon in Sri Lanka. Cheers.